to another episode of Car Addiction. Today I'm going to talk about spark plug. Spark plug is the thing that looks something like that, and it's deep inside your motor, and this is the thing that goes kaboom. Let's say you bought a used vehicle, 100,000 miles or 160,000 kilometers, and you don't really know about the service history of the vehicle. It's one of the first things you should do is change the spark plug, because the spark plug's change interval on any modern vehicle is between 100,000 miles to 160,000 or 160,000 kilometers, and trust me, this will set you free. But let's say the previous owner told you that the plugs has been changed, but you really want to know if they have been changed or not, so you decided to get your hands dirty, get into the vehicle and get the plugs up. The question is, how do you know if these plugs are any good? Now, if a plug looks like that, it is used, no problem, I get it. But if it looks like that, if the plug looks like that, that is good. But if the plug looks anything like this, oh boy, you got a dirty one. The first telltale sign your plug is way out of balance, warranty, whatever you want to call it, is when you look at the ceramic side of it and there is any kind of discoloration, that you need to get rid of this. You need to put new plugs in. Now, a couple of things these plugs will actually tell you. Let's say you have a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder, whatever plugs you get out of whatever cylinder, make sure you mark them, put them in a surface, and see if the plug is wet and a little burnt and dark. Especially if it's wet, that means that specific cylinder is running rich. And if the plug is very dry and white stuff on it, that means that specific cylinder is running lean. So you definitely need to address that. Running rich is not necessarily a bad thing, but running lean can lead to a lot of issues, especially pre-detonation. And pre-detonation makes your motor go kaboom. You don't want that. So if you pull the plug out and it looks something like that, get rid of it. They're cheap. Put some brand new plugs in it and you'll be good to go. If your plug looks like that, that means the plug is actually good. It's been used, not a big deal. Plugs are good to go for another 100,000 kilometers, 106,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles. So just take a wire brush, clean them up, put them back in, you're good to go. This month I'm giving them a 2 headlight restoration kit. So all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, like this video, and put a comment at the comment section.